Welcome to the Team Logo Designer by the Team Factory. Today we're going to learn how to get your artwork on a jersey. Let's get started. First, let's navigate over here to where it says Choose Product, and let's select Jerseys. From there, this will have a Jersey Style tab. Let's click on that. And this brings in all the brands that we carry, and within each brand is each style of jersey for that brand. Let's click on Adidas. And you'll notice all the pictures here of all the styles that Adidas carries. And I'm going to choose the Adidas Condivo 14 in Royal. Over here, it pulls in a front and back view. Today we're going to be working on a front view. Let's go ahead and select that product. That pulls it into our design area. From here, let's move over to where it says Edit Artwork and select Artwork. And then Design Templates. And then Crest and Team Name Templates. So here's a handful of designs that we've already created for you to edit. I'm going to go ahead and choose this Austin. And once that pulls in, it's going to go to an automatic zoomed in view. No worries. Just zoom out. You can see that your design is still there. But you'll notice that it's a little low on the jersey. So let's go ahead and select all. Let's move this up into position. About right there. Then I'm going to select this, and as I move this to more of a center, you'll notice the pink line shows up telling me that it's perfectly centered. And if I want to make this crest a little bigger, just click, hold marquee around it, and just make that a touch bigger. And let's go ahead and move on to changing some colors. So let's zoom back in. I'm going to select this logo. Once I've selected this, you'll notice that this color palette pops up. These are all the colors that make up this logo. So to change a color, let's just click on one of these swatches and change it. I'm going to change it to Columbia Blue. You'll notice that it changed everything in gold to Columbia Blue. But I'm going to change the second Columbia Blue to a red. There you go. That's pretty much easy as that. So let's change this text inside this font, or inside this crest. Just click on this text. You'll notice that it pulls up in this text area. Let's retype that to ATX, and this is my color swatch for this font. Currently it's white. I'm going to leave it white, and then to click on the soccer club, I'm going to change that to football club. Sometimes the smaller things are a little harder to click on, but just try and get in there and click on it. Keep trying. From there, you'll notice again color swatch located to the right of that, telling you that this color, the color of this font is black. So from there, if that's where you're happy, you can see that it's a little bit off. So once you select that, you can use these nudge tools down here to kind of nudge it left, right, up, or down. So there you go. Looks pretty good. So I'm going to work on this font here. Again, this populates in the text box. I'm going to change this to capitals. Again, my color of my font is white. At any time, you can just select that and pick the color that you like. From there, I'm going to change the font style. So click on this font style area. Currently, it's using Brush 02 in the brush category, in the brush font category. Excuse me. And from there, let's click on that. These are all the different categories that you can choose from. I'm going to choose a collegiate type font. And down here, it brings in all the collegiate type fonts that we have. So I'm going to go ahead and use Collegiate 11. And I'm going to see what that looks like as is. As you can see, it looks a little small. So at any time, you can grab these nodes located around each piece of art and scale that to your liking. And once you get it there, that looks pretty good. The next set, we can add an outline to that. Let's go ahead and change the outline to a red. And let's increase that. Let's zoom back in here. Increase that to about 8. And you'll notice some of these are touching, so let's give that a little bit of air. So you can do that by using the spacing tool. Let's increase that right there. And the next step is the text shape tool. Click on that, and you'll notice these are the different shapes that you can manipulate that text area. So let's click Arch, and there you go. And let's modify that a little bit. Let's make it a little taller. And to control this arch, or the shape, The shape size here, let's decrease that a little bit. Not so much. And let's do that down. And you'll notice these are all the swatches that are being used. We try to keep these as few as possible and still keep the design looking good. Right now we're at 4, which is good. So let's zoom out and check out what we've done. So there you go. That's how you add a design and change colors, manipulate the font style and font shape as well. And now you've created an awesome jersey for your team to check out. All you have to do now is save and share and enjoy. Thanks for checking out the Team Logo Designer by the Team Factory. Keep watching for more episodes. Thanks.